So let's say that you need to join a meeting, but your main aim is to not talk with other people, but rather present something directly. In order to do that, you can click on the present button instead of the join now button. So once you click on the present button, what happens is that the presentation options opens up directly so that you can present live to the meeting participants. So you can go over here and share the entire screen, or you can share a particular application window. So I'm just going to choose this and hit share. And what happens is that that particular application window starts getting shared right here. And you can see that there's no other meeting information here. You're just directly presenting it to other people right there. So you can see that you can copy the meeting link, you see the attachments, everything else, but you do not see an option to chat with other people. That is because you're in a direct presenting mode. But what the other people will be able to see is if they join the meeting, they'll be able to see your screen. So what the other people will be able to see is this. So you can see that this person is presenting, but that person is not available for chat or anything. Of course, you can interact with other users and everything else, but the main person who just hit on the present will be able to just present. There's no mute or there's nothing else right here, as you can see. So that is how you can directly start presenting. So you can stop presenting right here again and present now. Sharing audio is what happens, like if you check this on, then whatever you're speaking is shared out as well. Otherwise, if you were to turn this off, then what happens is that only the screen gets shared and nothing else gets shared, just like that. So that is how you can present directly in a Google Meet meeting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.